Oh my goodness me. SkyDemon just crashed. That's never happened. Right, I've now got another problem. My SkyEcho suddenly decided to have a not connected to the Wi-Fi. So just landed and refueled at Kirkbride. Very quick stop. The weather at Dunkeswell, I got an overcast a couple of thousand feet, but there are people flying there, people in the circuit. There's some cloud around, but it seems to be scattered, so hoping to transit through Liverpool's overhead and then through Cardiff overhead and down to Dunkeswell. Scheduled for about a 2-hour flight. And there's someone who's interested in my canards. I'm about to get questions about that, I should think. Yes, it does. It moves with the elevator.
Interesting.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
Safe flying. Bye. Everywhere I go, get questions about the canards. I mean, they are weird. I get it. So this is going to be a hot start. There we go. That's the hot start as per Todd Peterson's YouTube video on how to do hot starts in these, and it's never let me down so far. 55 gallons of fuel. This flight only needs 28, so we've got nearly twice as much fuel as we need, including reserves. Alrighty, that's the flight plan put into the Garmin. November 20 Sierra lining up for immediate takeoff from runway 10. Okay. T's and P's good, airspeed live. God, it's murky. 20 Sierra turning right out of runway 10 and changing to en route frequency. Thank you very much, bye-bye. See some blue sky up there, but some very grim visibility. This hasn't improved much by the time I get to Blackpool. I think I'm going to divert it to Blackpool. I mean, I can see 5 miles, and I'm over the water, so I'm not worried about terrain. That's more like it. It's the kind of visibility we want. Oh my goodness me. SkyDemon just crashed. That's never happened. That's never happened. No, it just goes to show, it does happen. That's the first time that's ever happened to me. I've lost GPS signal many times, but I've never had the application just crash like that. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Blackpool 20 Sierra, I'm looking for to change to Liverpool approach on the earliest opportunity, so if you let me know as soon as maybe when you're overhead I can change to Liverpool.
Yes, depending on your level, I might keep you a bit longer. We just have one inbound from the south, but he's at 1,400 feet, so it shouldn't be an issue. I'll give them a shout now.
Roger, I'm going to stay, I'm currently still at 3,000 feet and I think I can hold it.
No worries.
Liverpool approach, November 1320 Sierra.
1320 Sierra, Liverpool, hello.
Roger, November 1320 Sierra, the information Quebec, and hoping for a transit to your overhead. We're currently just a few miles south of Blackpool at 3,200 feet, QNH 1008.
Yeah, you won't get through at that level. If you score 5050 for me, please. Confirm the level on the QNH 1008.
Confirming 3,200 feet, 1008, and I'm very happy to go as low as you want.
Roger, you cleared to cross the zone southbound VFR, not above 2,500 feet, QNH 1008.
Cleared to cross the zone, not above 2,500 feet, QNH 1008, November 20 Sierra.
That's a basic service outside.
Basic service outside control airspace, November 20 Sierra. November 20 Sierra, Liverpool, just for your information, I've got a radio problem on my box 1, I'm talking to you on box 2.
Okay then.
Well, that's not happened to me before. I don't know what's happened to my COM 1. Suddenly stuck on receive on no matter what frequency I put into it. I'm not going to try and sort that problem out now. I'm just going to concentrate on staying where I need to be in controlled airspace, which is below 2,500 feet. So I'm going to get down to 2,300 feet and set the autopilot at that level, and then I'll have a look at debugging whatever this radio issue is. I'm actually going to switch box 1 off completely. Switch it off, back on again. It's the first thing to try. I get as nervous flying over built-up areas as I get flying over large expanses of water. Don't like it. I've got some nice big green spaces off to my left here, which make me happier, but we are going over the top of Liverpool though, so would have preferred to be higher. Now my new minimum safe altitude is going to be shoved into bracken. Let's go get rid of that bracken. Yeah, I might go there Bristol instead. Feels like we're on the home stretch now. 28 minutes till we're overhead Bristol. And then about another 15 minutes till we're back at Dunkeswell. I'll be home! Will have been about 4 hours total flight time today. From Inverness to Dunkeswell. Isn't too bad. I've had a bit of a headwind the whole way. I've had a 10-knot headwind the whole way. Otherwise I reckon would have been about 3.5 hours total time. Murky visibility on this second leg. First leg was just low cloud. Right, I've now got another problem. My SkyEcho suddenly decided to have a not connected to the Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi not connected. SkyEcho unable to join it. Right. God, I mean a lot of issues on this flight. I'm going to switch off the SkyEcho. Switch it back on again. Yes, this worked. I don't know why I'm being tested so much on this flight. So that was the SkyEcho's Wi-Fi. That wasn't a SkyDemon issue because the device was unable to connect to SkyEcho's Wi-Fi hotspot. Oh, look at how murky it is. I can see a long way, but it's hazy. Getting hazier. I've got no more high ground above me, so I'm going to come back down a bit, a few hundred feet. Let's come down to 2,500 feet. There's Bristol Airport with a lot of planes. Look at those planes parked up down there. There's the 777, the biggest one nearest to us. Right, on my approach this time into Dunkeswell, I'm going to make sure I check the windsock. One of the previous flights, it's on the video, I didn't talk about it on the video, but yeah, so what I didn't do, my final check there, is I did not check the windsock. So it was okay, this aircraft lands short, but we ended up landing with a ground speed way higher than normal. And I normally can stop within a couple hundred meters, but we ended up rolling a long way down the runway, and braking for such a long time. It wasn't excessive braking, but it was quite heavy braking quite a long time that actually the brake pads faded. They got hot and faded. I mean, there was still a lot of runway left, but it was still, I used up way more than I was expecting, and it was a simple, complacent mistake, which I make too many of. Okay, autopilot off, landing light on. Okay, there we are. There's an example of a silly mistake. I left the landing light on the whole of this flight. Didn't do my cruise checklist. In itself, not going to cause a problem. I've got LEDs, so I haven't got filaments that are going to burn out. Doesn't draw much charge, but still, it's poor discipline. So brakes are off, undercarriage down and fixed. Mixture will be rich when I get a bit closer. We are on the runway, extended runway centre line now, 12 miles out. Dunkeswell traffic, November 1320 Sierra, 12 mile final, runway 22. 20 Sierra, 1 mile final, runway 22 is land stop. Reds, greens, blues, autopilot off. Windsock checked. I am not landing downwind. 70 knots, 65. 60 knots over the fence. No excuse not to do a greaser here. Except I didn't. Oh. Sierra runway vacated. That was shaping up to be such a perfect landing, and maybe got complacent, but it just turned into a bit of a crappy one at the very last minute. Anyway, goodbye Inverness. Hello Dunkeswell. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks for coming along for that ride. And see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Oh, how about for a welcome home? I missed you too, honey. Hi guys. It's a surprise. This is banana bread all the way from Scotland. Sorry, they called it banana loaf. You're welcome, guys. You've been having fun with the car along the way. There's a strange noise coming from the... Archie, where's Tara?